We are at a loss in Deerfield, Illinois. Toilet leaked. Guys are here getting the equipment ready. They've protected the hallway, stairway leading upstairs to the source. We've already started some of the work here, but the source was the second floor bathroom toilet. Tiles are affected. Walls are affected. We're going to have to do a 2-foot flood cut. Toe kicks were removed for the time being, but this vanity is going to have to be detached. Casing is being removed right now. The guys were working in the second floor hallway. As you can see, a little bit of the water damage on the floors. Did a 2-foot flood cut here. Removed carpet pad and tack strips. Coming into bedroom 2. Water made its way into primarily this left side of this bedroom entry. Some of that water made it into the downstairs bathroom. In this bathroom, we had a light fixture that was full of water. We are going to remove the whole ceiling and this wall behind the vanity and toilet, which is our plumbing wall. We are going to remove the top foot from left to right. We're going to be setting up equipment and we should be dry hopefully within the next 3 to 4 days.